It's time for me to make a computer. Yep. Welcome to opinion. It's just what the DT that listen what the friend. That goes. It's fine. The next thing is gonna be the motherboard. And it goes right there.
Because we're up here. No, I know where it goes. It goes right inside of that. Good job, I heard a click. Wait, what are you doing?
Rebuilding.
Oh, I was wondering what the hell you put that thing back in there.
And it's right there.
Perfect.
Hey, Gavin. When are you gonna get
Hey,
there?
hey.
I got screwed in.
In the middle of a video.
Man, I don't care.
Oh, you're in the middle of a video?
Yeah, he's rebuilding my computer.
Oh, hey, YouTube. How you doing?
Hey, it's Fire Goliath 25.
Yeah, there's Fire Goliath 25 over there, and Azure Flute 12 over here.
Azure Flute.
Azure.
I was about to say, you want to add somebody's flute to your collection? How long is the longest flute you've ever taken?
I hate doing this. No, I get to put them like and the next thing, oh, right here. Next, it's a fan which goes right there on the motherboard.
Just killed somebody in Slither.io. Hey, who on YouTube likes Slither.io? It's really fun. You guys should play it. 2016, you guys should play it. That guy just killed me without killing me.
Okay, shut the hell up.
Don't ask me what I was trying to say.
Yeah, shut the fuck up.
I was trying to sound cool, but I didn't.
I have no money. That's connected to it. It's not gonna be the worst thing. I'm gonna put a lot of stuff together. My next thing, it's gonna be the hard drive. It's just the easiest thing. Put on a computer.
Or is it?
It's 1 terabyte. Which I can use 1,000 gigabytes. Why is it so
Per
big?
equals 1 terabyte.
No, you can use 1,000 gigabytes.
I just said that. I just said which equals 1 terabyte.
Oh yeah.
That's what I just said.
Yeah.
Actually, 2024.
You can use 1,000 gigabytes on it.
I swear to God, you start arguing with that shit again. I had to listen to that the last one over there.
Yeah.
You was gonna die.
Yeah. And it goes right there.
YouTube heard that. You hear that, YouTube? He's gonna kill some people.
I don't think you're being fooled, Joe.
No, I'm just joking.
Then it goes right there.
He's right behind me, though.
I mean, I'm not gonna kill you. I swear to God, if I got a bone on my nose, stick you right
Whoa,
in the back of
whoa! You went a little too
Then I'm gonna put the graphics card in, and the graphics card goes right here.
Yeah, they're really got a little jingle. What the? Dude, I found my red thingy. Wait, no, that's just sticky.
Found your red thing.
Bro.
Whoa! Calm down, buddy. Come on!
So weird.
It's being a slip, but it looks like a little red dingling.
There we go.
My dingling.
And there it goes. Then my next thing is that. Gavin, you know what this is to a computer?
What?
Power source.
Yeah, part that.
I'm not gonna put all them wires together onto the motherboard. Like, seriously, I'm not. That's like too much for now. And that thing is, it's gonna be this wonderful long thing.
Really?
What?
I know we should make videos on how to lose weight for dummies.
I know you can do that.
How to lose weight for dummies. Do one push-up. Alright, go get yourself a pizza. You earned it.
Then there it goes. Right there. Okay, then I put this on it too.
He did that. He did that your head.
Wait,
Where'd it go with?
Then my next thing will be the whole cover.
Look, Billy.
What?
Look.
What is that?
Will be this whole cover,
Okay, what?
which is
Oh!
this
Shut up.
big
Mom.
black
Like,
thing.
This is a computer, guys.
Don't do that, man.
Well, I'm gonna oven on it because it's an old computer.
Hey, guys, wanna play low hockey with me?
And
Come on, man.
all I got left is this fan, wires, screws, more wires, and these.
Come on, just
Which I'll show y'all that next time.
look. Okay. Grab your hockey
Well,
stick.
I gotta go.
Look, I'm waiting for you.
Next video be about me showing y'all my attachments to the computer.